Hi everyone, welcome to Tigner Adventures. Well, we are in Salt Lake City visiting our children on our way. This is where Ninette grew up, or was born, and this is where we actually raised all of our children. So, interesting enough, we are at Hogle Zoo. So that's what's behind us right here. We're going to go in and check out the zoo here in Salt Lake. We actually used to live just down the street from here. Used to have season passes to the zoo all the time when our children were younger, and that was a long time ago. We actually have been married now for, in our last video we mentioned 43 years. So, you know, our children are quite a bit older. So 43 years ago we lived downtown here in Salt Lake City and would come up here every once in a while, and it was a lot of fun. But it was a really small zoo, and now they have added tons to it. So we're going to check it out and see what is actually here. So it's one of the major attractions here in Salt Lake City. So this will be a lot of fun. Well, I lost my audio for the first portion of this video, but this is entering Hogle Zoo. They have at this time of year, they're already starting to put things up for Halloween, and then they move into Christmas. But we're going to stop here at the map. This is the actual zoo map. So this is how big the zoo is now. So we're starting off with the giraffes, and they're always fun because they have this little area here that you can go over to and feed the giraffes. So, yeah, my daughter's being really stingy with her piece of lettuce. This guy's got to really work at it. When our kids were really young, they used to always get a drink out of this drinking fountain, and it looks like they've put a new one in here, but they have these all over the zoo, so brings back a lot of memories. right, we have got our lunch. Lots of food. Fish and chips and a burger. Yay. Well, so that was really good food, and the prices were pretty good, pretty surprising since we're here at the zoo, but it was just not any different than if we were downtown at some other fast food place, so that was pretty nice. Now on to the rest of the zoo. All right, this is the panda enclosure. Oh, this is the enclosure. Nobody here, but they say they might be in their cool room, which is up there, in their little secluded hideout. All right, there is the panda. It's a red panda. Just keeping his face across away from us. That's not very nice. Well, since the red panda didn't want to be in our video very much, we're switching our way over here to the tigers. Let's go check out them and see what we can see. Did you find them? Yeah. Oh, big guy. There's the tiger.
You don't like the big kitty?
Pretty nice enclosures. We're going to check out Grandma's house. Oh, look, we can come in here and sit down to watch the animals. And we don't see anything. All right, we're on the other side here. Look, there's a big old turtle up there.
This is supposed to be with us?
And this is supposed to be a snow leopard. But we don't see the snow leopard anywhere. He's just hiding. He blends in really well. Don't blame him for just kind of trying to hide from everybody. There's a lot of people here. This is so funny. I thought that was a turtle up there on the top, but that's a Paulus cat. Just sitting there in his little house.
Oh, that's a cute shot.
Oh, there he is. Yep, just looking at us.
Oh, there it is. It's right up there.
He knows he's going to be on video, so he's posing now. The cats are just taking a nap. The big tigers. No matter which area we check out, they're just sleeping. All right, here's a nice looking leopard. Just sitting there, enjoying itself.
Very cool.
All right, below us is the carousel. You can see how there are different buildings and businesses all around on top of the little valley here. But this is the zoo, is all inside this area. Here is the common raven in its own little pen. Just checking us out. Do you talk? Hello? How about this artwork of a rhinoceros? Pretty cool. As we get to our next cage here of birds, this is a red-tailed hawk. Can you see him up in there? Kind of blends in with the roof quite a bit. Look at these cool peacocks. They look pretty cool. All right, we've come to the bobcat. Do you see the bobcat? Right there in front of you. See, it's a paw. Laying in the basket, just taking a nap. Look how big these turtles are. Whoa, that one down there is massive.
That was one of my earliest.
I think that's the biggest turtle I've ever seen.
You know what? I think
So,
that's
wow.
when that other building was the bistro that you're.
Look, here's the reptile house. Check this out. There's the tortoise. That's the desert tortoise. Let's see, oh, over here. Here's the mourning doves.
Look at him go. Look at it go.
And the other one is a northern cardinal. Oh, there he is, way up there. Red bird up there is a northern cardinal. Look at this big lizard. This is an Asian sand cat.
Like 70% of the time they eat kitty. And they eat poisonous snakes.
Insects of the world. This is pretty cool. Scorpions and tarantulas. Well, we've gone into a nice humid area now. This is the rosette spinbill. This is like a tropical forest. Look at the cool monkeys. This is the titty monkey.
Oh my god, they're so cute.
Wow. This is the sloth. Look at this big porcupine. That's a lot of quills. This guy is kind of hard to see, but this is a skunk down here. Look at these bats. This is the African straw-colored tree cat. Check this out. Checking out the fruit. This is the red fox. Can't really see them very good, but they're over there in the corner. Saying, it's just time for a nap. Another porcupine. Kind of shy. Chinese crocodile. That's an awful big guy. This is a black-footed cat. Looks just like having a cat at home. Hi there, what you doing? Yeah. Oh, such a cute little guy. Yes, you are. This is a Cape Hyrax. So this is the Zufari Express train, and it's closed right now because they're redoing the train, putting in new tracks and changing where it's going. And if we look over here, this area to the left is all going to be a whole brand new development that's going to be all about celebrating Utah's native species. So that portion's being built right now too. So those two areas are under construction. This is the gift shop, pretty good sized gift shop, and they have a lot of cool things in here. So look, we have Octorellus.
From his book.
We'll have to put a link in there for our son's book that's been released. And this is the spider. It's all about spiders. All right, well, that finishes our little zoo tour of Salt Lake City. This is called the Hogle Zoo. A lot of changes over the years, and I think the zoo is probably always under construction. They're always changing things. One of the ladies was saying that this is a group of zoos. They belong to an organization, and so all the zoos help out each other and try to take care of the animals, and they hold them to the highest standard as far as animal care is, taking care of these animals. So that's kind of cool, and I don't know, it's a lot of fun. Real family fun time. We've had a lot of fun with our children that we have here, which is only 2 of them right now, and then some family friends that we're visiting and staying with while we're here in Salt Lake. But this finishes up today's video, so thanks for coming along. Did you have anything good to say? Well,
it's been a wonderful day. It's been a nice autumn, beautiful day.
Yeah, we wore our hats today, but we really haven't seen much of the sun, so.
Oh, but it feels fine.
I mean, it's been a really pleasant day. So anyway, it was a lot of fun. So thanks for coming along. Hopefully we'll see you on our next video. If not, then maybe down the road somewhere. So take care.